Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to a new video here on Hedera. Our beautiful coin has done it again. We dropped down into support, which was expected. If you watch my video on Sunday, I believe, what we said is that we had just rejected from the POC and the markets as a whole looked still shaky. They still, to a certain extent, do. All right, we're not. Maybe we're in the bull market, but the markets are not super bullish yet. But ultimately, I mean, Hbar dropped down into the range lows right here between 26.5 and 25.5 cents. And what I said on Sunday is that, you know, we might drop down into that level, but I do think we're going to be able to hold that level. We have a ton of support there. And ultimately, that's what we did. And I think, and I think most of you agree with me on that, because most of you either hold or are fans of Hedera. I think Hbar looks beautiful here. It's a beautiful range. Like, we got maybe one fake out here the 20th of December. Doesn't matter. I mean, ultimately we've been ranging beautifully between 33 cents and 25 cents. 25 cents is a massive support level that held beautifully. I mean, you can see that we found a lot of support here from the 382 fib. And we did not even drop down to 25 cents. So I would say, I mean, even if we do get more bearish pressure in the markets, which always is a possibility, I don't think that's most likely, but it's certainly a possibility. Even if we do get that, I still do think that the support level right here and the range lows for Hedera will hold. So yeah, got a strong bounce across the markets as well, but I think the structure, like the market as a whole, bounced nicely, so that's great. But I think if you take a look at structures across the market, a lot of altcoins actually still look bearish with their structure, and I think Hbar volume is also up nicely, but the volume was already quite high over the last couple of days. I think Hbar, especially if you zoom out here on the daily time frame, for example, is still one of the most bullish altcoin charts. And here you can also see some more confluence to that support level at 26 cents with the daily 50 EMA. So yeah, altogether looks great. Strong support touch. We hit the bottom of the range. What is then always most likely in terms of the next move, getting up to the top of the range. And I do think that's most likely in this case as well. Like I said, it's been defended well. I think the market as a whole looks good to get higher as well into the range highs for Bitcoin at least. Hedera as a crypto on its own actually has been relatively strong. We obviously still have the fundamentals of a potential Hedera ETF coming up in 2025 that will, at some point of time, that will be a narrative again. And especially with new leads in the SEC coming with the Trump office next week. There's just a lot to be bullish about with Hedera, I think. But in terms of my price analysis here, I am going to be slightly conservative. Tomorrow we also have some CPI and inflation rate data. That matters, all right? That matters for the market as a whole. So short term, I expect volatility. I actually do think, like, short term, we can still move into the previous month POC and the current POC at 29 cents. I do expect some sort of downwards volatility as well into 27, 26.5 cents. I don't think we will revisit the bottoms we made on Monday, but I do expect some sort of just a retest. And after that, I expect us to move up to the top of the range between 31 and 33 cents. So this is ultimately what I expect. Obviously not as clean as these arrows. But do I expect us to get a bullish breakout here above 33 cents? At this point of time, I do not expect that, all right? I think that if you actually opened a trade for Hedera here at the bottoms, I would take most of the profits between 31 and 33 cents, all right? We need very strong markets and we need some sort of an altcoin season or some sort of altcoin outperformance to break above 33 cents. And even though I think that's a possibility, I think at this point of time, it's much too premature to start talking about that already. So that's what I would expect. That's what I think you need to know about Hedera for now. If you do have any questions, anything, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord. That's much better than the comment sections on YouTube. But hopefully I'll see you there. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.